cell biosensors with a reporter gene. Reporter gene is a gene that is attached to a regulatory sequence, and this sequence is of our interest. And the regulatory sequences are isolated from different bacterial, animal, or insect cells. The function of the reporter gene is to help in the identification or detection of the target molecule in a cell biosensor. The reporter genes are basically the marker genes, and they measure the level of expression of a particular protein. A variety of reporter genes are used in experimental studies. For example, LAC-Z reporter gene. This reporter gene codes for beta-galactosidase. This is an enzyme and uses a colored substrate as well. This gene is heavily used in molecular biology experiment. This second gene is LUC reporter gene. This is a luciferase reporter gene which is present in a firefly. The third type of gene that is commonly used is green fluorescent proteins, and this gene basically produced a fluorescent protein. Another type of gene which is related to GFP protein is an enhanced green fluorescent proteins. Basically, it is the same type of protein but with the enhanced signal. Another type of reporter gene is an antibiotic resistant reporter gene, and that is CAT gene or chloramphenicol acetyl transferase reporter gene. Now, in this slide, you can see that how these reporter genes work. The reporter gene is attached to a regulatory sequence. Reporter gene we are using in this case is GFP or a luciferase gene, which is attached to a regulatory sequence, which is shown in red color. And after the attachment of this regulatory sequence to the reporter gene, it allows the expression of the particular protein, that is the GFP protein. GFP protein or luciferase allows the production of fluorescent when the substrate is applied. So this is the basic principle which is used for the use of reporter gene in a cell biosensor. Now, we will discuss different types of reporter protein. The first type of protein which we are going to discuss is the green fluorescent protein. Green fluorescent protein is the protein which is coded by a single gene. It has a molecular weight of about 29.6 kilodalton and has 238 amino acids. These proteins basically exhibit fluorescence when exposed to light from blue to ultraviolet range. You can see in this slide that how this GFP protein works. We are using a bacterial cell which is shown in blue, and these cells contain the GFP protein. The analyte or the target molecule is shown in red. When this target molecule enters into the bacterial cell, it combines with the reporter gene, and the reporter gene starts synthesizing fluorescent protein, which we can detect with the help of which we can detect as a green light. Now, the other type of reporter gene is CTRA reporter gene. This gene is for carotenoids. Carotenoids are of different colors. मिसाल के तौर पे आपने गाजर के मुख्तलिफ रंग देखे होंगे, इनमें सुर्ख, पीला, जामनी, all these are carotenes. So you can have an idea that if a bacterial cell is producing a carotene, it means it is producing a color. So when a sample is applied with a sample contains a CTRA gene, the whole cell biosensor could change its color in the presence or for the expression of a CTRA gene. यानी कि जब carotenoid reporter gene active होगी तो वो carotenes produce करेगी, and carotenes have different colors, so the color of the media could change from green to red, and this is how the CTR gene is used. So the other type of, and in case of CTR gene, we don't need any substrate. दूसरी तरह की जीन जो हम यूज कर सकते हैं, दीज रिपोर्टर जीन रिक्वायर्ड अ सबस्ट्रेट, फॉर एग्जांपल लक जीन एंड लैक्स-जेड जीन। लक जीन के लिए हमें ल्यूसीफेरेज एंजाइम में ल्यूसीफेरिन चाहिए होता है, जबकि लैक्स-जेड जीन इज अ जीन फॉर बीटा गैलेक्टोसाइडेज और इसके लिए हमें बीटा गैलेक्टोसाइड सबस्ट्रेट चाहिए होता है। एंड द above all of them, these two types of gene requires the substrate, but these methods are very sensitive. For the firefly luciferase or luck gene, it can identify or detect up to 2 picogram of the target molecule. जबकि LAC-Z protein or the LAC-Z promoter is also very popular. It requires different types of substrate. It is a well-studied promoter gene. We need a chemiluminescent and electrochemical or colored substrate for the use of for the detection of LAC-Z reporter. Now we are going to study another type of reporter gene, and this is CTRA reporter gene. CTRA reporter gene basically a carotenoid gene for carotenoid synthesis. Carotenes are colorful compounds. These colors we can see in carrots. गाजर के मुख्तलिफ रंग मसलन जामनी, सुर्ख, पीला, ये तमाम रंग कैरोटीन्स की वजह से होते हैं. When we use this gene into a system, as a result of biorecognition, detection of a biorecognition process, there is a change in color. और कैरोटीन ए जीन के सिलसिले में हमें सबस्ट्रेट इस्तेमाल करने की ज़रूरत नहीं होती. द चेंज इन द कलर of the medium is an indicator for the detection of a biological recognition element. दूसरी दो तरह की जीन्स लैक-जेड जीन और लक जीन, ये जीन बहुत पॉपुलर हैं और इनके लिए हमें मुख्तलिफ किस्म के सबस्ट्रेट्स इस्तेमाल करने पड़ते हैं. लक जीन इज ए जीन दैट इज प्रोड्यूस्ड बाय द firefly and it requires a luciferase enzyme and a substrate luciferin. ये जीन 2 पिकोग्राम तक टारगेट मॉलिक्यूल को डिटेक्ट कर सकती है, जबकि लैक-जेड जीन ये वो जीन है जो कि तमाम मोलेकुलर बायोलॉजी में गुज़िश्ता 30 सालों से स्टडी की जा रही है. इट यूजेस डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ सबस्ट्रेट. इट कुड बी अ कलर्ड सबस्ट्रेट, फॉर एग्जांपल IPTG, आइसोप्रोपाइल बीटा थायोगैलेक्टोसाइड, जो कि आमतौर पे नीला रंग होता है. एंड व्हेन इट इज हाइड्रोलाइज्ड बाय द बीटा गैलजीन, इट इज कन्वर्टेड इनटू ए वाइट सोल्यूशन. इसी तरह इसके लिए हमें दूसरे मुख्तलिफ इलेक्ट्रोकेमिकल और केमिल्यूमिनेसेंट सबस्ट्रेट भी अवेलेबल हैं. तो दिस जीन इज ए वेरी पॉपुलर जीन और आमतौर पे सेल बायोसेंसर में इन्हीं 2 रिपोर्टर जीन को इस्तेमाल किया जाता है. Now, in summary, a reporter gene is a regulatory sequence of another gene. यानी कि regulatory gene sequence का हमारी gene of interest से कोई ताल्लुक नहीं होता. By molecular biology techniques, we joined these 2 genes, and as a result, the product of the reporter gene is an indicator for the detection of our biological recognition process or the detection of a target molecule. यानी जब टारगेट मॉलिक्यूल डिटेक्ट हो जाता है तो हमारी रिपोर्टर जीन उस वक्त फंक्शन करती है. आमतौर पे GFP प्रोटीन और लैक-जेड लक प्रोटीन को इस्तेमाल रिपोर्टर प्रोटीन को जीन को इस्तेमाल किया जाता है. GFP प्रोटीन डज नॉट रिक्वायर एनी सबस्ट्रेट. इसी तरह CTRA रिपोर्टर जीन के लिए भी किसी सबस्ट्रेट की ज़रूरत नहीं होती, जबकि लक जीन और बीटा गैलेक्टोसिडेज जीन रिक्वायर्ड सबस्ट्रेट्स. So the reporter genes are basically very helpful in the detection of a target molecule when they are used in a cell-based biosensors.